Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's walkthrough, I'll be showing you exactly how to edit the checkout page on your Wix website in 2025. If you've ever wanted to give your online store a personal touch or tweak the checkout process to better suit your brand and your customers, this video is perfect for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find and customize your checkout page, making your site feel more polished and professional for every shopper who visits. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. First up, you'll want to head over to your Wix website's design side. This means logging into your Wix dashboard and picking the website you want to work on. If you manage more than one site, just make sure to choose the correct one before moving forward. Taking a few moments here to double-check you're in the right place can save you a lot of hassle later on, especially if you're someone who juggles multiple projects or clients. Once you're in, you'll notice the sleek Wix editor interface with all your tools neatly lined up. Now on the left-hand side of your screen, look for the section labeled Pages and Menu. This panel is your navigation hub. It gives you access to every public page your visitors will see, as well as some hidden ones. Click on that and you'll see a list of all your site's pages right there at your fingertips. Among the options that pop up, find the one labeled Store Pages. This is where all the special pages related to your online store live, including your product listings, shopping cart, and of course your checkout page. If you don't immediately see Store Pages, don't worry. Sometimes you might need to scroll a little, especially if you have a lot of pages. You'll usually find it grouped with anything related to your online shop. Click on Store Pages and you'll now see a few sub-options. One of them will be the Cart page. It's easy to assume the checkout options are somewhere else, but this is the spot you want. The Cart page is directly linked to the checkout experience for your customers. Go ahead and click on it. With the Cart page open, you're now in the space where you can start customizing the look and feel of your checkout process. Here, where you can edit what your customers see as they're about to make a purchase. Maybe you want to adjust the layout, tweak the colors to match your brand, add some trust signals like secure payment icons, or even slip in a special thank you note or discount code message. Small details here really matter since the checkout experience can be the difference between making a sale and losing a customer. Think about your own experiences shopping online. A cluttered or confusing checkout page can be frustrating, but a clear, welcoming one can make the whole process feel smooth and reassuring. Take your time editing these elements. You can drag and drop sections, swap out images, and preview your changes in real time. One tip, after making a few changes, hit preview and go through a mock checkout yourself. This way, you can see exactly what your customers will see and catch anything you might have missed. And that's really all there is to it. Editing your checkout page in Wix is refreshingly straightforward, but those tweaks can make a huge impact on your customers' trust and satisfaction. Remember, the small touches add up and help your brand stand out in a crowded online marketplace. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button below, and if you have any questions or run into any trouble, drop them in the comments. I always love hearing from you. And if you want more step-by-step guides just like this, make sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and good luck customizing your checkout page.